Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make your own etched tumblers at home without a laser engraver. For the materials you'll need coated tumblers, citrus strip, vinyl decals, a brush, painter's tape, gloves, aluminum foil, and a heat gun. First stick the decal where you'd like it to go and remove the transfer tape. Do this for the other cup. Then use a heat gun to seal up all the bubbles and edges. After that, wrap the cups in painter's tape to keep the citrus strip from etching other parts of the cups. Then take the citrus strip and generously cover the decal. Then cover each decal in aluminum foil. Take the heat gun and heat up the cups, which speeds up the process. You only need to do this for a few minutes. Then peel off the decal and start rubbing off the coating on each cup. And that's it! It's such a cool way to personalize tumblers without the need for an expensive machine. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching! Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.